variables, integer variables, string variables, string and bool, float variables. So variables are two types. Variables are two types. Types in JavaScript. First one is local variables. Second one is global variables. First one is a variable declared within the JavaScript function, declared within the JavaScript function, and it becomes local variable, and we can access that function only within the within that function only. We can access that variables only within that function. Okay, so we can create variables within the JavaScript function, and we can access that variables only within that function. So you can have local variables with the same name in different functions. You can have local variables with the same name in different functions. So for example, in JavaScript function, so there is one JavaScript function, my function 1. So we can create variables within the function using var keyword, var a equal to 20, var b equal to 30. Okay, so within the function we have created two variables, so these are called local variables. So we can use these two variables within the function only, where c equal to a plus b. So a plus b variables are used within the function. Suppose another function, my function 2. So I want to calculate a plus b, okay, a value and b value within second function. Okay, so we have to create separate variables in second function also. Okay, we cannot access first function variables in second function, but we can create variables with the same name. Okay, this is a and here also a variable. So we can create variables with the same name in different functions, but we cannot access first function variables in the second function, where n equal to 20. A plus n. Okay, so these are the local variables. So we can create local variables within the function, and we cannot access from one function to another function local variables. You can create local variables within the same function with the same name in different functions. For this one example, on HTML form, local variables, not HTML. Okay, here one button, type equal to button, and value get some. Okay, on click my function. Okay, result will display in paragraph. ID equal to p1. In addition, so when you click on this button, display sum of two variables, sum of two values in paragraph. So we can create JavaScript variable with the .js extension. MyScript.js. Always JavaScript variables create with the .js extension. MyScripts.js and okay. Okay, JavaScript file is created. So when you click on this button, so we have to display sum of two values in paragraph. First, we need to create function, my function. Okay, here this is the my function. So in button click event. So same function name we have to give here, and where x equal to 20 and where y equal to 40 and where z equal to x plus y. Okay, we have to display this result, okay, this result in paragraph. So using document dot get element by id, so we need to find out the paragraph in HTML document, and inner HTML equal to assigning content to the paragraph. Okay, document means HTML document, get element by id. So using this method we are finding paragraph in HTML document, so based on this id, so this method find the paragraph in HTML document and assign to paragraph value. Okay, this is the concatenation. Concatenation means adding two values or two strings into one single paragraph content. So run this form. First of all, we need to call JavaScript function in our HTML document. So use script tag type equal to text JavaScript, source equal to myscript.js. Okay, in HTML5 version, no need to call this type attribute. Okay, this is not recommended. So click on this button. The sum is 60. Okay, we have given 20 and 40. So 20, 40, 60 result is displaying in paragraph. Okay, based on local variables. Using local variables. And local variables. So this is the local variables. Global variables means variables, global variables declared outside of the function. Declared outside of JavaScript function. Outside of JavaScript function, so it becomes global variable. Global variables. So we can call this global variables in all JavaScript functions. In all JavaScript functions. So when you close the browser, global variables are destroyed. Okay, so global variables are destroyed. So the syntax for global variables: function, my function 1. So I want to display sum of two values in paragraph. Document dot get element by id paragraph dot inner html equal to z. So we can do the sum for two variables x plus y. So these are global variables. So we can create global variables in outside of the function where x equal to 30 and where y equal to 50. Okay, so these are the global variables. So we can call these two variables within another function also. Function, my function 2, where z equal to x into y, and we can write this statement to display multiplication. So once you create the variables as a global, so we can call these global variables in multiple functions. Okay, in local variables we cannot access from one function to another function. So we cannot access local variables in another function. Okay, multiplication z and another button get multiplication and function 1. Function 1. So when you click on this second button, so it will display multiplication of two variables, but we didn't get the answer in this example because we did not create the local variables or global variables as x and y. Get multiplication, so no result is there, but you can see the error message in. So click on this one error. So see here, click on this ungot referenced error, x is not defined. In this function x is not defined. Okay, there is no global variable or local variable as x in this function, so that compulsory we need to create local variable. Okay, two variables compulsory we have to create. So now we can get the output multiplication. Cannot set property inner HTML of none. So there is no paragraph 2. Okay, multiplication 2400. So like this, global variables, add one HTML document, global variables.html. Okay, we can call this okay, only one function and only one paragraph. So we can write comment for below two functions. Below two functions, local variable examples. Okay, so like this we can write the comments. Already explained comments, right? Okay, single line comments and multi-line comments. For global variables example. Okay, function my global is the function name. Okay, so when you click on this button, display sum of two values. Sum of two values. Create local variables m equal to 30 where n equal to 50. You can display that sum in paragraph p1.innerhtml equal to m into n. So like this also we can write directly. You can call this JavaScript function in global variables.html form. Okay, function name is my global. So local variables, global variables. So click on this button. So 1500 is displayed. Okay, multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Yeah, adding and one more is multiplication. Okay, multiplication using global variables. My global 1. Okay, and paragraph 2. Directly we can call this variables and we can change the operator. So now this is very simple. Global variables are, we can use these global variables to reduce the number of lines of code. So see here, local variables are multiple lines, and this is not the professional way, and global variables is within 4 lines is completed, 2 functions also. So by using global variables, so in real time also machine should use based on your requirement. Global variables are local variables, but we can reduce the code by using global variables. Global variables. Okay, get sum, get manipulation. Paragraph 2. Okay, 80 and 1500. So this is the local variable and global variable history. And the next one is JavaScript operators. Operators. So in JavaScript also, in JS also, we have mathematical operators. Mathematical operators like addition operator, and second one is multiplication, and the third one is subtraction, and the fourth one is division, fifth one is modulus, and the sixth one is increment, and the seventh one is decrement. Addition symbol plus multiplication symbol and the subtraction and the division and modulus, increment, and decrement. So this is the symbols for arithmetic operators. Okay, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulus, increment, decrement operators. So if you write in code addition like x plus equal to y, okay, x plus y equal to, so same as x equal to x plus y. If you write x into equal to y, same as x equal to x into y. Subtraction also same, x minus equal to y, same as x equal to x minus y. X by equal to y, same as x equal to x by y. And modulus equal to y, same as x equal to x modulus y. And increment x plus plus and decrement y minus minus. Okay, to increase the values use increment, to decrease the values use decrement operator. Addition operators, example, on HTML document, like operators.html. So we have one button, input type equal to button, value equal to need addition operation. Okay, addition. When you click on this button, can display addition. Okay, my addition function. In paragraph, we can display the result P1. Addition operator. So we can write JavaScript function within the body using script tag function my addition, where x equal to 60 and where y equal to 80. Where z equal to x plus y. Using document or get element by id, you can display the result equal to z. Okay, 140. For multiplication or for subtraction, okay, my subtraction, my sub, and operator is subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. Okay, minus 20. So x minus y. So x minus y is minus 20. So like this we can do for all operators. Okay, modulus, division, multiplication, okay, increment, decrement. To pass the dynamic values, to pass dynamic values, use two text boxes, type equal to text box and id txt value 1 and input type equal to text id value 2, x value, y value. Now we can remove these two variables. Document are get element by id dot value txt value 1 get element by id value 2. And here also you can use same. So we can pass these two values for multiplication and subtraction and addition. You see here 4460. So this is not the correct answer for addition. For multiplication, so okay, this is correct value, but addition is wrong. So we have to convert this value into string. Okay, pass to integers. Convert text box value always string type, so that we need to convert the string values into integers. Okay, use parseInt method to convert Okay, there is no values. 45 and 60. Okay, 1 or 5. And subtraction is correct answer. Or we can write directly like in this area. Okay, like this also we can create. So because reduce the code. So here 2 lines of code. By using these 2 lines, we have 4 lines. So like this we can reduce the code. In real time also machine should think about how to reduce the code. And the next concept is logical operators. Logical operators. So your task for today: addition, subtraction done, and multiplication and division, modulus, okay, and increment and decrement. So your task. And logical operators is equal to operator, equal to, and triple equal to, equal value and equal type, equal value and equal type. So there is double equal to and triple equal to operator in JavaScript. So the main difference between these two: double equal to checks value only value is equal or not, but triple equal to checks both value is equal or not and type also is equal or not, type means string value, okay, string value or integer value, okay, boolean, okay, or float. So it will check the type also, triple equal to. And not equal to operator, not equal to, and not equal to, not double equal to. So this also same, if not equal to value and type, to value and type, and greater than, greater than, and less than, and greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to and quotation symbol, question mark, like a ternary operator. A ternary operator. For this one example, logical operators .html. So one button is there, type equal to button, value, display alert if two values is equal, and on click. Okay, display alert function. Skipped and function is display alert. Where a value is 10, where b value is 20. So we need to check the values by using if condition. If a equal to b, so double equal to checks only value. Alert values are equal. Okay, values are equal. Else alert values are not equal. So run this form, click on this button. So values are not equal. So here a value 10, b value 10. So both values are not equal. So that values are not equal, alert box is displayed. So if you give the value b also 10, so it will display alert box values are equal. Okay, values are equal. So like that. So see here, values are equal. So given string value 10, okay, using double quotes. So if you use double quotes or single quote, so it will treat as a string data type. Okay, this is integer data type, this is string type. But given alert box, values are equal. So in this cases, we need to check the type also. Okay, triple equal to. So now it will display values are not equal. add box. Okay, values are not equal. So here in this condition, checking both value and type. So like this, you can do examples on not equal to, okay, less than, greater than, okay, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. And the next is JavaScript type operators. Type operators. Type operators is two types. First one is type of. Second one is instance of. Okay, instance of. So type of is very important. Okay, to know the type of variable. To return the variable type, so we can use type of. It returns the type of variable. Type of variable. Instance returns true if an object is an instance of an object type. Returns true if an object is an instance of an object type. For example, type of .html. So we can display variable types, okay, in paragraph. Use script tag and just write function get types. So variable name equal to, okay, name is JavaScript, okay, name variable, and where my decimals, okay, my decimal values equal to 20.5767, and this is float values, and where flag values, okay, flag equal to false. So I want to know the type of these variables. So when you click on this button, so it will display this type variable types in paragraph. input type button value get variable types. Okay, and on click get types function. Documenter get element by id p1 dot inner html equal to type of name. Okay, type of name and type of my decimal type of flag. So if you run this example, so click on this button, so string number boolean. Okay, so the return type of keyword returns variable data type. Okay, this is string type, this is decimal number data type, and this is boolean type. Okay, so like this you can find out where x equal to some array variable. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. For array variable also we can know the type of array variable. Type of x. Okay, this is object data type. To know the function where my function equal to function type of my function. Okay, this is the function is the function type. So this is the type of keyword